Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the Cloudflare proxy for your domain. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn off Cloudflare's proxying and make sure your traffic goes straight to your server, which can help with troubleshooting or if you want to avoid Cloudflare's performance or security layer for a particular reason. If you've ever wondered what those little orange and gray clouds mean in your DNS settings, or why you might need to switch between them, you're definitely in the right place. Let's jump straight in and walk through the process together. First, start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. When you visit Cloudflare.com, you'll see the login option right at the top. Pop in your credentials and make sure you're getting into the right account, especially if you manage more than one website. This step is pretty foundational, because all of your domain settings live behind this secure wall, so Cloudflare knows it's really you making these changes. Once you're in, you'll see a list of the domains you're managing with Cloudflare. Find the domain you want to work with. Usually, it's the one causing you issues or the one you want to bypass Cloudflare for. Click on that domain to open up its individual dashboard. It might take a second or two for everything to load. Don't worry, that's normal. Cloudflare's dashboard is pretty information-rich, so take a deep breath if it looks a little busy at first glance. Now look for the DNS section. It's usually in the navigation bar near the top or side of the dashboard. Go ahead and click on DNS. This is where Cloudflare manages how your visitors find your website. Within DNS, you'll then see a list of all your DNS records for that domain. These control things like your website, your emails, subdomains, pretty much how everything routes. Take your time and scroll through the list. It might be labeled with terms like AAAA or CNAME. The most common type for websites is the A record or a CNAME. Think of this as your website's phone book. Now focus on the proxy status column for your DNS records. Here is where you'll see that little orange or gray cloud icon I mentioned earlier. Orange means your traffic is proxied through Cloudflare. It's getting Cloudflare's extra speed, caching, and DDoS protection. But sometimes you don't want that, maybe for troubleshooting, or if you need to see things as they are coming directly from your server. If you see the gray cloud, that means traffic set to DNS-only, no Cloudflare proxy. Just a direct line from your visitors to your server. To change this, simply click on the orange cloud next to the record you want to edit. Cloudflare makes this easy with a quick toggle. When you click it, it should switch from orange to gray. That one little click actually has a big effect. You're telling Cloudflare to stop acting as a go-between for this part of your website. As a quick tip, make sure you're changing the correct record, not all of them unless you really intend to, since adjusting email records, for example, in the wrong way can cause issues. Once you've toggled the status, look for a Save button. Or sometimes changes will save automatically. Cloudflare usually lets you know with a little banner at the top. Wait for it to confirm your changes before leaving the page. Sometimes updates take a few moments to push through globally. Don't worry if you don't see changes right away. It might take a few minutes for DNS to update everywhere. And that's all there is to it. By toggling from orange to gray, you've told Cloudflare to route traffic directly to your server, bypassing its cache and protection. This is a handy trick for troubleshooting, seeing updates instantly, or working with third-party services that don't play well with proxies. If you found this walkthrough helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. Have questions about Cloudflare or got stuck on a step? Drop your question in the comments, I'm here to help. And if you want more clear, friendly tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything new. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.